Automakers are pushing for more affordable electric vehicles, and Volkswagen is stepping up with two new budget-friendly options. The ID.2 and the even more affordable ID.1 aim to make electric driving accessible to more people. The ID.2 all-concept already set expectations with a price tag under €25,000, around $26,700. And now, Volkswagen has unveiled the ID Every1 concept, which will cost approximately €20,000, about $21,300 when it reaches production. The ID Every1 is positioned as an indirect successor to the discontinued e-up from 2023, though it is significantly larger. Measuring 152.7 inches in length, it is 11 inches longer than the previous model, but remains 6.7 inches shorter than the ID.2 All. The design incorporates some nostalgic elements from the first-generation Volkswagen Golf, including a flat beltline and a black rear gloss panel inspired by the original GTI from 1976. Inside, Volkswagen has prioritized space efficiency, offering seating for 4 and a 10.7 cubic foot, 305-liter luggage compartment. However, one concern is the new infotainment software, which could come with subscription-based features. The car will retain physical buttons on the steering wheel and dashboard, a welcome decision for those who prefer tactile controls. The ID Every1 is based on Volkswagen's MEB front-wheel drive platform, delivering 94 horsepower and a top speed of 81 miles per hour, 130 kilometers per hour. Volkswagen promises a minimum range of 155 miles, 250 kilometers. The ID.2 is expected to arrive in 2025, while the ID.1 will follow in 2027. What do you think about Volkswagen's affordable electric future? Let us know in the comments, and do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates.